I recently fell in love with a home decor piece, and the one in store was broken and I could not find them online. So I'm going to DIY one. In order to make this DIY holiday decor piece, you're going to need some polyfill, fairy lights, a Christmas tree, a cloche, I don't know how you say this. Mine did not come with a base, so I ended up finding this gold plate at the thrift store. That's all you need for this decor piece. Let's start by placing the Christmas tree on the base of your cloche. And then I will add some polyfill, kind of spread it out, make it look like snow on the ground. As I'm doing that, I'm going to twist in these lights. I'm gonna figure out what's gonna be the front. So I want all of this to be the front. I'm actually gonna run this cord out of the back and hide it behind the base so that I can easily access it to turn the lights on and off. But I'm just going to like kind of intertwine this in the snow so that the snow twinkles a little. There. I don't want the lights to be completely covered by the polyfill because I still want to be able to see the twinkling of the lights. All right, let's turn the lights on and see how they look. I think that's perfect. I love how the snow kind of glows. So cute. Okay, now we're just gonna put the top on and make some adjustments if necessary. Isn't this such a cute and fun Christmas piece of decor? I love it. I just love it. I think it's perfect. So now I'm gonna put it on my shelves because I haven't put any decor on my shelves. And I'm a very minimalist decorator when it comes to holidays. I like just a couple of pieces, and I prefer them to be larger so that it's not like a lot of little pieces. So this will be perfect on my shelving unit back here.